Melinda sold packages of gourmet coffee, X, and pastries, Y, at a school fundraiser. The packages of coffee sold for $6 each, and pastries sold for $4 each. At the end of each fundraiser, she had 2 more packages of coffee than pastries, and made $72 in total sales for the fundraiser. Create and graph the system of linear equations that model this situation, then use the mark feature tool to indicate the solution to the system on the graph. Again, if you've been watching these videos, you know I'm on my iPad. I have difficulty drawing these graphs on the iPad, but before we can even do this problem, we need to write the equations for this problem. So as I flip over here to my paper for a minute, once again, what it says is, it says that she's selling coffee and pastries, and the coffee are the X values and the pastries are the Y values. And it says that coffee is $6 and the pastries are $4. And again, this is all money. So when we set this equal, we need to have it set equal to money. And it says at the end of the fundraiser, she had sold 2 more packages of coffee than pastries and made $72 in total sales. So there's the first equation. The second equation is going to come from she sold 2 more packages of coffee than pastries. So ask yourself, what did she sell more of? She sold more coffee. So coffee is X. And how much more did she sell? She sold 2 more packages than she sold of the pastries. So once we get those equations written here, then we can go over to Desmos. So I'll flip that over here. Get rid of our last 2 problems there. And 6x plus 4y equals 72. Come on. And our second equation is x equals 2 plus y. So there are our 2 equations. And then when we want to answer this here, and I might have to make this, spread that out a little bit, but we want to know this value right there. So once again, as I go back to my notebook paper here in a minute, here, what we know when we go back to graph them on our screen is that 8, 6 is going to be a point on both lines. So our green line is the first line that we graphed. So come over here and hit this value. So one of the points on there is 0, 18. So we're going to graph 0, 18. When we go back into the program, I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to let you do it. And on the purple line here, we've got 0, negative 2. 0, negative 2. And then, once again, where you're going to mark it for your final answer here is 8, 6. And what that means is that she sold 8 bags of coffee and 6 pastries.